In this video, you will learn how to get your pay stubs from Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Driver app. Launch the Uber Driver app on your mobile device. The app will usually accept and deliver Uber Driver orders. Tap on the Earnings tab. This is typically located in the bottom menu of the app, showing your current earnings. Select View Past Earnings. After tapping on Earnings, you will see an option to view your past earnings in the past 30 days, including breakdown details of each day or work week. Choose your date range. You can filter your earnings by week, by day or by month to get a specific pay stub for the period that you need. Download or screenshot. Uber Eats will display your earnings report for that period. You can take a screenshot of it, note it down for reference. Uber does not typically provide an actual pay stub, but you can get a detailed report on how much you've earned through tips and other compensation. Access your earnings. You can also log into your Uber driver portal, which can help you to access your earnings statements under the earnings section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.